Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy QSP Crypto. In order to do this, you first have to hover over to your Metamask extension and you simply need to click on it. After that, you are going to see this type of pop-up in front of you where you need to make sure that you have enough Ethereum in your account. If you don't have the Ethereum, then you will have to click on this buy and sell option, and then you will be redirected on this page where you can enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to purchase. And after that, you can select any of the service providers, and then you just have to select your payment method and conclude your payment. Now once you have Ethereum in your Metamask account, you will have to add the QSP token into Metamask. For that, you will have to launch a new tab in your web browser, and in the search bar you will have to search for coinmarketcap.com. Then in the search bar, you simply need to search for QSP token, and once you are on the overview page of QSP, you are going to see this MetaMask icon. You need to make sure that the network is selected as Ethereum, as we want to use Ethereum in order to make purchases. So over here, you will have to click on this MetaMask icon, and then the MetaMask pop-up will open in front of you. So you will have to click on use MetaMask, and then your QSP token will be added in your MetaMask account. Now once you have QSP token in your Metamask account, now is the time to purchase it. For that, you can use the swap feature of Metamask. So you will have to click on swap, and after that you will have to select the token. For that, you need to click on the select token option, and in the search bar you will have to search for QSP, and then you need to select QSP. Then you need to enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to use in order to purchase QSP. After that, you need to click on fetching codes option, and then you will be redirected on the next page where you just have to conclude your swapping, and this way you will be able to easily get your QSP coin on Metamask, and this is how you can easily buy QSP crypto. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.